During the first few weeks of our degree programmes here at the School of Biological Sciences, we take all of our students away on a residential field trip. So that doesn't matter if you're on a biology, zoology or plant sciences, BSc or MSci programme, we have an opportunity to take you away along with your cohort for a few days. During this trip, you get an opportunity to have practice of undertaking some biological skills training in the field, which is super important for anyone undertaking this type of degree programme. There's also a really important opportunity to get to know other people who you're going to be spending 3 or 4 years with on your degree programmes.
The trip brings loads of different groups together, which means I've been able to meet new people and as well understand how we survey and do biological standardising and testing as well.
For me, the most enjoyable part was just that it was a totally new experience. Coming from somewhere beyond the UK, everything I've seen so far is very new to me, and it's quite nice to get out of Bristol to explore. It has been really enjoyable.
My favourite part was we looked at freshwater invertebrate under the microscope and we identified the species that we found. And I really enjoyed Steve's talk yesterday actually on Blue Planet. Yeah, on the making of it. That was very, very good.
It has to be the bat walk. It was so fun seeing these amazing creatures just flying over the pond and just hearing them through the little speakers that it's not a speaker, what are they called? How do you hear bats? A bat detector.
I've really actually enjoyed the beach clean because not only are you interacting with other people, but you feel like you're doing something for the environment, you're doing something for the community.
I've always wanted to do a beach cleanup, and doing it in such a beautiful beach is actually very nice.
My favourite part is probably the lasagna.
Sure.
Probably the lasagna. So Woodland Ecology went into the example of a temperate rainforest to determine whether where we were was a good place for the temperate forest or not, what things were impacting it being bad or good.
We discussed the definition of sustainability and then what that looks like now and hopefully in the future.
Coming together to come up with different ideas for the future, as well as possible solutions of current problems.
We did a GPS activity,
Yeah.
which was actually, that was one of the most
I
fun.
love that
was
one. I love that one.
Talking to different people, just getting outside your comfort zone a little bit. I met Annabelle today, so there you go.
It's hard to meet new people when you go to lectures and stuff. And they're socials, but
Don't really remember much of the socials, so.
The free time here has been really lovely in the sense of we could just have access to the entire site. We had a pub quiz on, we had fire pit that everyone could just chill out and sit in each other's rooms. It was just a really lovely atmosphere that everybody could just kind of feel really comfortable in.
We went stargazing at night with my friends, and that was one of the most enjoyable parts because I hadn't seen that many stars before. I feel more like a biologist now.